Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for sports memorabilia, business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see now, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Now you can enter your business type. Okay, and now you can select your business type. I'm gonna select this one, sports memorabilia business store. Okay, okay, now you can enter your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell, physical products or digital products or dropshipping products or services? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell, online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media or in person? So let's move on. Let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you want to create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna get started from here. So let's get started. Now as you see, you can enter your information, your name, your email, your address and your phone, and also you can add a social link. So let's move on. Now as you see, you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. So it's more important to make your site look attractive. Okay, now wait a few seconds. You're gonna pick some pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. And as you see, if you want to add page to your site, you can add them from here. And also you can skip all this and customize them later. So now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Okay, so you can add elements, you can add the sections, you can add pages and menus. Also you can design your site. So first of all, if you want to add elements, you can add them from here. So first you can start from the text. You can customize the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs and the text mask. Also if you want to upload images or import images, also you can explore images free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. Also you can customize the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, the payment buttons. And here we have the decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Okay, so also if you want to design your site, you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background and the page transitions. So that's it. So the first section here we have the header section, so you can do a quick edit. For example, if you want to change and edit the site name. Also you can manage the horizontal menu. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the welcome section. You can change the section background, the strip background, this image right here, you can change it. And also if you want to change the text in the paragraph, just click on it and you can create another AI text. Okay, click like this and you can select the type of this section. You can describe just what you want in your text. For example, this is the welcome section and you have to insert information to include here, and after this it's gonna create it for you. Okay, you can make it shorter and you can regenerate another one if you don't like it. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the product section. Okay, so as you see here, this is the product section. So you have to create your product. So you have to manage first your product. Okay, you can add new products, and now as you see, you can customize the section of your product. Okay, now you have to add the title product. You can add images and videos. Also, you can add the product information. You can customize the price. Also, you can turn this on sale, and you can customize the discount and the sale price. Also, if you want to customize the inventory and the shipping, you can turn this on, the track inventory, and you can customize the inventory and the status, the shipping weight. So after you're done, you can save this place and go back to the editor to complete design. Okay, so as you see here, this is the opening hours, and as you see, you can change them if you want. You can just describe what you want in your text, and you have to provide the days and the hours, and it's gonna create it for you easy and quick. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, features section. So as you see here, the same thing as normal. You can change, for example, the fonts and the style, and also if you want to change the color in the background, like this. If you want to change this image right here, just click here, change image, and you can search whatever you like on the search. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So that's it. So if you want to change the color, for example, just click here and you can change the strip background like this. It's much better. Okay, let's move on to the last section here, the footer section. So you have just customize and edit your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save this editor page right here. So after this, if you want to publish, you can just click here and you're gonna publish it. So now you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.